Namaste, Khusro Bhetia. I Jibin Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. In previous session, we have discussed about Google App Engine, and we have seen some features. And next, we will see how Google App Engine is rich in APIs and its services. So, Google App Engine has many built-in APIs and services that let developers quickly build robust apps with rich functionality, including logs, logging, and programmatic access to application logs. App Engine MapReduce for data processing and transformation. Search API easily create and query indexes from your application's data. And SSL supports choose from SNI and VIP to add industry standard SSL support to your application. Page speed service optimize your application for speed and performance, and Google Cloud endpoints expose your application services and data to mobile users. And Blob stores APIs serve large data objects. Files API for large files and data manipulation, and simple and Google Cloud endpoints. Blob store API service large and data object, and files API for large files and data manipulation and simple integration with Google Cloud storage. And Jamp APIs send and receive instant messages. Channel APIs establish browser channels for instant updates to user. Memcache API provides temporary high-speed data access through a high-performance memory cache, and its API authenticate users through Google accounts or OpenID, and task queues and cron schedule application tasks to be performed hourly, daily, or in the background. URL fetch APIs quickly retrieve content from web services and other internet resources. So here is the some APIs, how it helps to make Google App Engine more effective and more useful. So next is its flexible pricing. Each Google App Engine application has a limited free quota, which can be used during development and to serve low usage application. As your resources usage grows, you pay only for what you use, eliminating the inefficiency of over provisioning to prevent downtime. Its premier accounts are also available for customers interested in operational support and high volume pricing. Please contact our sales department. So here is the link for, if you want to Google App Engine, you can easily go to this link. And for more information about Premier accounts, so data and servicing location. Premier accounts customers can choose to serve their application and store data in either the United States or the European Union and pay in a limited number of local currencies, including euros. The last is your SLA, service level agreement. Google App Engine offers an SLA of 99.95% availability within a monthly billing cycle for paid application using the high replication data stores. For more information about our, so this is the kind of agreement which is provided to the Google App Engine consumer services. So thank you, class. It's all about Google App Engine, and this digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. Thank you, class.